Question 19 says polygon MNOP has vertices of M, -2, -2, N, -3, 3, O, 1, 3, P, 3, -1. Find the coordinates of the image after a dilation scale factor of a third. Now, the key to this is 1/3. If I tell you you're going to get a third of something, what's the easiest way to get 1/3 of something? Don't multiply it by 1/3. Do what? I think people should know this. If you are supposed to get a third of your allowance, what do I end up doing to get that? Don't multiply it by a third. I think multiplying by a third is too hard. Divide it by what? Oh, mama. Divide it by what?
3.
Divide it by 3. If you want 1/3, 1/3 means multiply by 1/3 or divide by 3. Now, this question's way easier than you think. All I want you to do, go up here. Over 3, 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 over 3. Now, yeah, you probably want to slide this over just a smidge, and M becomes -2/3, comma, -2/3. They're not making you graph these, so you don't have to worry about where its 2/3 go. N is -3/3. Negative divided by positive is a negative. Gives me -1. You should be reducing that down. And 3/3, you can tell me what's 3/3? What's 3/3? You should reduce it down. Yeah, 1. And then O. O is going to give me 1/3. 3/3 becomes 1, and then P, I'm going to put off to the side, 1, comma, -1/3. Now, I think I can sneak this one in too. So when it says, if your worksheet said, give me a half, you divide by 2. If it says, give me double, you multiply it by 2. You just take all your numbers and do exactly what they're saying. Figure DEF is a dilation of DEF. Find the scale factor of the dilation classified as enlargement or reduction. Now, an enlargement means I got a number greater than 1. A reduction means I got a fraction that's less than 1. I stared at this and I thought, whoa, this does look a little bit tricky, but no. The one that I'm staring at right now is here. Go to F. Go to F. I was doing this last night with Gabby, and she was picking ones that I thought were too hard. I'll show you the ones she picked in a second. F, you want to give me its x, y coordinates for dilated first, for original second. So on your notes, make sure dilated is on top. Dilated has to be on top. Who can tell me what is the exact coordinates for F dilated? Be careful, it's in between. Ooh, mama. Oh, Lord. Now, and you know what? If that confuses you, I'm going to go to here. You're supposed to have an XY coordinate, right? Go to here. I got to give you the ability to take a test really well. Look at its Y's only. Look at its Y's only. How far up is F dilated on the Y? This is Y. Amber. 2. How far up is F original? Genesis. 4. What's 2/4 reduced to? What is 2/4 reduced to? That. Why half? This is a reduction with a scale factor of a half. Now, I agree. Yeah, I'm looking at this and I'm getting my x coordinates. Oh. X coordinate, now you'll probably see this a little bit easier after you did half of the other part. If F original has an x coordinate of 7, what was F dilated? And you got to be really careful because here's 2, here's 4, here's 3. It's not at 3. It's in between 3 and 4. Those half ones are hard to see. Go find the ones that are whole numbers. Blake? It's 3.5. Technically, you only need one of the components. You need a y over y or an x over x for dilated over original. You go find the one that works. When my daughter was doing this last night, she was like trying to pick out the ones for D. And she looked and said, well, there's no number in between 4 and 6. Yeah, there is. There's 5 here. And then, but when you get to here, yeah, the number for D dilated, here's 3. So I had to like really gouge a line there saying, okay, that's between 2 and 3. What's between 2 and 3 is 2.5. So that would be 2.5 over 5. The half numbers are kind of goofy. Your test shouldn't have half numbers. Or you go find the number.